When it comes to finding reliable and skilled interior designers in Yelahanka, Bangalore, SCON Design India Private Ltd is a name that stands out. With their extensive experience and expertise in the field, SCON Design has established itself as one of the leading interior design firms in the area. They offer a wide range of services to cater to the diverse needs and preferences of their clients. SCON Design India Private Ltd has a team of highly talented and creative interior designers who are dedicated to creating spaces that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional and practical. They understand the importance of creating a space that reflects the client's personality and style, while also ensuring that it meets their specific requirements. Whether it's a residential project or a commercial space, SCON Design has the skills and expertise to deliver exceptional results. What sets SCON Design apart from other interior designers in Yelahanka is their attention to detail and commitment to providing personalized services. They work closely with their clients to understand their vision and requirements, and then develop a design plan that aligns with their needs. The team at SCON Design believes that every space is unique and should be treated as such. They take into consideration factors such as lighting, color schemes, furniture placement, and overall layout to create a space that is not only visually appealing but also functional. In conclusion, if you are looking for interior designers in Yelahanka, Bangalore, SCON Design India Private Ltd is a name you can trust. With their expertise, attention to detail, commitment to quality, and ability to work within budget constraints, they have earned a reputation for delivering exceptional interior design services. Whether it's a residential or commercial project, SCON Design has the skills and creativity to transform any space into something truly remarkable. When it comes to finding reliable and innovative interior designers in Yelahanka, Bangalore, SCON Design India Private Ltd is a name that stands out. With a team of highly skilled professionals, SCON Design has been transforming living and working spaces into aesthetically pleasing and functional environments for over a decade. Their expertise lies in creating unique and personalized designs that reflect the client's tastes and preferences. As one of the leading interior designers in Yelahanka, SCON Design has earned a reputation for delivering exceptional results. They understand that each project is unique and requires careful attention to detail. Whether it's a residential or commercial space, their team of designers and architects work closely with clients to understand their vision and bring it to life. From conceptualization to execution, SCON Design ensures that every aspect of the project is handled with utmost professionalism and creativity. SCON Design offers a wide range of services to cater to the diverse needs of their clients. Whether it's a complete home renovation or a simple room makeover, their team is equipped to handle projects of any scale. From concept development and space planning to furniture selection and installation, SCON Design takes care of every